So now we're on to the more instantaneous strategies. So these are the sprint strategies, and you will see basically instant results with these ones, which is why I'm going to demonstrate these live to you and show you the exact results that I get on screen. So these are likes, commenting, and following sort of promotions. So it's connecting with your target audience using these three methods. And there is a variety of ways for you to do this, and I'm going to show you the best practices that I've done. Before we dive back into my iPad and show you exactly how I do it to get the best results, I want you to make sure that you're always within Instagram's rules and regulations and that you're never spamming or doing anything that you shouldn't be doing on Instagram. I really emphasize getting high quality followers over the quantity of followers, because this is really important in converting your followers down the line to customers. So please don't abuse the tactics that I'm about to show you, but use them wisely and logically in order to connect with the right people in the right way. So with that word of warning, let's jump straight in and show you how it's done.
So the first thing I want to do now that we're in the Instagram app, before we start connecting with our target audience that we've defined in these sprint strategies, which means they're going to be getting pretty instantaneous responses from them, I want to show you what it looks like from their perspective. So I'm actually going to come over to the search bar and find the other account that we've been using in order to demonstrate some things. We can see that cat post that we posted on Annalise's profile. I'm simply going to like it. I'm going to comment. Awesome cat. It's just sort of a strange comment. That's so cute. It's probably more natural. That's so cute. And then a little cat emoji. So we're going to post that. And that's the notification coming through. And then the last thing we're going to do is click on a profile and follow. You can see those notifications come through, which is great because they are the sort of notifications that other people get when you take action on their account. So they're being aware of your profile through those notifications. So I'm actually just going to switch accounts now. Come back to the profile. This little drop down, you can see it says that number 3, because there's been 3 actions taken on her account, or 3 notifications. And right there down the bottom, 1 comment, 1 like, and 1 follow. Now, people love this on Instagram. I know you've probably seen it yourself. You can see that little red dot under the heart once that goes away. This is what people really, really enjoy doing. They like people interacting with their profile. They like people following them as you would for your business profile. So what they like to do is they like to come into this tab and see who's following them, who's commenting, and what's going on. And you can see we've got a well-optimized photo on the left, and we've got a nice little comment, and we have a like as well, and a follow. So immediately, if I was Annalise and this was my profile, I would be like, oh, who is Benji Blue? And I'm not forcing anything onto Annalise, but I'm interacting with her in a genuine way so that then she can come and either click my photo or my name, and she can see my profile, which we have optimized. So if Annalise was in my target market, she would probably relate to the things on this page, and then she'd probably follow me, which she already is. But if she wasn't, it would look like this. She could just click that follow button, or she could take one of the call to actions that we have down in the bio. With that being said, now I'm going to show you how to like and comment and follow in a strategic way, in the best way possible, to get in front of your target audience on a daily basis, or however frequently you want to do this. So I'm going to come back over to the search. Oh, I'm actually still logged in as Annalise. I'm going to come and log in as myself again. Here we go. We're back. Come over to the search. And once again, I'm going to start with likes. I'm going to show you how to like first. So I'm going to go over to tags. It's the easiest way to do it. And then I'm going to type in quite a general tag. I'm going to type in entrepreneur. Now, the key here is you don't want your tags to be too big because there's a lot of noise and a lot of commotion in those big tags. There's a lot of people liking each other's posts, and the notifications, as you could see when Annalise had no other notifications, our actions were really prominent on her page. But if there's thousands of people liking that photo or thousands of people following that person, you're not going to get as good of an effect. So you really want to balance big tags and little tags, because there's a lot of great content and you can do more in big tags, but it's not going to be as effective. So I'm going to talk about split testing that next. But for now, I'm going to start with something a little bit smaller than Entrepreneur, which has 21 million posts. We're going to go down to Entrepreneur Lifestyle, which only has 1.2 million posts, and click on that. So you can see the top posts are at the top here. Now that's the top 9 posts, the most liked. I'm going to skip those because once again, they're going to be a lot busier. 246,000 views. It's a lot of views. No one's going to really mind if I am liking this or following this person. That's too big for us right now. We are going to go down to most recent. And I'm going to find something that is applicable. Here we go. Here's a girl on a laptop. Happiness is a day called Friday. Have a great weekend. Branding, marketing. So she's used all those hashtags, which is great. So I can just simply double tap that and like that. Now, what would be more powerful than just liking that would be to also come in once you know that this is your target audience, brand identities for entrepreneurs and businesses. That's great. I can come in and here's another one of her on her laptop. I can like this one. And therefore she'll get 2 notifications that I've liked 2 photos and not just 1, which is more likely that she will investigate my profile, see my call to action, see how cool my photos are, if she relates to them, and then follow me back or like my photos back. And then you can simply just scroll down and you can see at the top, it's still searching just Entrepreneur Lifestyle. You can search it this way, or you can go back and you can search it this way where you can see more photos. Either way is fine. I'm going to come in and see if I can find another one. This is cool. That's in Spanish though. I'm a big Will Smith fan. Respect his own. Here we go. Here's The Rock. 22 likes, so not crazy big. I'm going to give that a like. And I think this is actually, it looks like a person, or it could be a business. Businesses, again, they're not really there to interact and be consumers. So you probably want to stay more in the people. You want to, personal profiles, I guess you can say. You want to interact with them a lot more because you'll get better results and they're going to be the ones buying your services and your products. So that's liking. We're going to come back into a live example where I'm going to do 1 minute of liking, 1 minute commenting, 1 minute of following and show you the results live. But for now, that's how you like people's stuff and get your account in front of them through likes. So now we're going to do some comments. So very similar thing. Let's go for a new hashtag this time. We can actually go to a place. So I'm going to come over here to the right. I'm going to go Santa Monica. So they have Santa Monica, California. Here we go. Now this is a bigger place. Similar to hashtags at smaller places and bigger places where there's going to be more content, more people posting and more people going to. I'm going to stick with the big one for now because I know there's going to be lots of content in there. But once again, we can split test this down the line and see which one is most effective. Scroll past those top posts to most recent. Let's look for something beachy. Oh, this is cool. Some yoga. You can click on her profile to make sure that she would be part of your target market. And if she is, you can simply click on the comment button. You can see there's no comments yet, which is great. And then come in and make sure you put in a genuine comment. Please don't put any spam or any generic text here because people know that it's not real if it's actually not real. So that looks difficult. And then I'm going to put a emoji. And post. And now she is going to get that popping up on her notifications and I can go to the next one. So be more careful with comments. They're probably the shortest sprint tactics and you'll get the most instantaneous results from them and follows. But they are very powerful and they do need to be genuine. So I would keep stressing that. And you know how to comment now. You can also, of course, double up with a like and a comment. This is all in Japanese. That looks fun. So I would probably prefer to pick someone who is speaking English because they're going to be more my consumer and more my demographic. But just for demonstrative purposes, that's how you comment and like. That's the combo. And you could go into a profile and do 1 comment, 1 like, and another like. So 2 likes and 1 comment. And that would also give her more notifications and more reason to check out your profile and make the choice whether she wants to interact with our profile, take our call to actions, like our photos, follow us for future updates. etc., etc. The last one, of course, is the follow. So the best way to do the follow, I think, is go to people, find someone who you have written down in the exercise we did at the start of this module. Mine was Lewis Howes. You can see he's actually got 1,000 more followers since we started this module about an hour ago. He's now got 379. Click on that, and then once again come through here. So these are all new people because he's just passed that new follower. That follower checkmark of 389. Dreamcatcher, this person, probably not quite my target audience. Let's see if we can find. This guy's no post. Lover of life. Looks like she travels with airplane, so this will do it. I'm going to just click follow her. Now, if you think you have your target audience nailed down in your head so well that you can tell by username or by profile photo, you don't have to click on them to be able to follow them. Of course, you can just follow them from here. If it says requested, it means they're a private profile and they have to approve you. So they're not always the best. I like to take those back normally. But let's say Mitch Cosby, it looks like he's fit, looks like he's into nutrition. I'll just click follow here. And again, you don't want to spam. So 23 motivated. Yep, so I was right. You don't want to spam. You want to make sure you're confident. And that's why we verified who is definitely in our target audience and where do they hang out at the start. So you can be more confident, but you never want to spam, and you always want to be respectful and give authentic value in Instagram, and you get authentic value back. So those are the top 3 sprint strategies for your Instagram account in order to get your optimized account in front of your newly defined target audiences so they can then come to your profile, see what you're about, and potentially take action. Right now, I am going to spend 3 minutes, 1 minute liking, 1 minute commenting, and 1 minute following. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to make sure that these people, of course, are in my target audience and are relevant to my account. And then I'm going to show you the results. I'm going to wait 5 to 10 minutes after that and just show you the value that I've received back from putting in 3 minutes of work using these 3 strategies here.